Hey everyone, it's your girl Yolanda back with another video. Are you ready to level up your health journey? I am so excited to share the top 5 foods that can seriously boost your immune system. We all know how important it is to stay healthy, and in today's world, a strong immune system is more important than ever. So if you're ready to give your body the extra support it needs, keep watching. First up, we've got citrus fruits. You know you can start your day with a big glass of orange juice. But did you know those oranges are packed with vitamin C? And it's not just oranges. Lemons, grapefruits, they're all bursting with this immunity-boosting vitamin. Vitamin C is like the superhero of our immune system, guys. It helps our bodies produce white blood cells, which are like the little soldiers that fight off infections. So next time you're feeling a little run down, reach for a juicy citrus fruit. Next up is a colorful one, red bell peppers. These vibrant veggies are like vitamin C powerhouses. They actually contain twice as much vitamin C as citrus fruits. And if that wasn't enough, they're also loaded with beta-carotene, which is amazing for keeping your eyes and skin healthy. Adding red bell peppers to your salads, stir-fries, or just snacking on them with some hummus. They add such a great crunch and sweetness to any meal. Let's be real. You knew broccoli was going to be on this list. It's like the king of vegetables when it comes to boosting your immune system. Broccoli is packed with vitamins A, C, and E, plus a whole bunch of antioxidants that help fight off those nasty free radicals. You can roast it, steam it, add it to your smoothies. The possibilities are endless. Trust me. Your body will thank you for adding more broccoli to your diet. Garlic. Okay, I know some people are hesitant about garlic because of the, shall we say, lingering aroma, but trust me, the benefits are worth it. Garlic is a staple in so many cuisines around the world, and for good reason. It adds a delicious flavor to food. But more importantly, it has powerful immune-boosting properties, thanks to a compound called allicin. So, don't be shy with the garlic. Add it to your soups, stews, or even roast a whole head of garlic for a real treat. Last but not least, we have ginger. This little root is a powerhouse when it comes to fighting inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response, but chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on our bodies. Ginger can help soothe a sore throat, calm nausea, and even help with chronic pain. You can add ginger to your tea, smoothies, or even try ginger shots. Just a little bit goes a long way. So there you have it, my friends, my top 5 foods to help boost your immune system. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet regularly can make a world of difference in your overall health and well-being. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring either. Have fun experimenting with different recipes and find what works for you. Your body will thank you for it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and see you next time.